Having a YouTube channel is a ton of fun, and it can be a lot of work too. So what if I showed you something that would save you a ton of time? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of a recent coaching session I did with a friend of mine, John Finch, from the Father Effect YouTube channel, and how you can use default settings for your upload to save a ton of time. So one of the things I want to talk to you about is using default uploads. Do you know what that is?
No clue.
You're my ideal customer. No, I mean, you're...
Well, I'm clueless. A lot of people say I'm clueless all the time, but I'm no clue about default upload for
Hey,
sure.
only one of us can do that at a time. This is something that will save you a ridiculous amount of time. And what happens is you can go into... Now, I have TubeBuddy. You don't need TubeBuddy for this, but I do use TubeBuddy as well. But YouTube allows you to go in and write out anything pre-planned that will automatically, as you upload a video, it will put all that information in there. That's your site. So we're going to go to, we'll go back to my channel. I want to show you we're just going to pick a video at random. Here's one right here. So we're not going to watch it.
So it seemed like it wasn't too long ago.
Stop. Okay. So when you go here and you show more, all this information right here, that is already, I've put in my default upload. So the only thing that when I'm uploading a video I add is this right here. That's it. So imagine how much time this has saved me, not having to write that out every time. Again, you go into your YouTube studio. You go down to settings. Upload defaults. If you notice, this is the one from YouTube. Everything I just showed you is right there. Now, full disclosure, I wrote all this out in notes. Got it the way I wanted it, and then I copied and pasted it. And you'll notice every once in a while, like I just caught this, there's a little formatting issue for whatever reason. And you also notice, too, that you have 5,000 characters. You don't have to use it all. And I've gone back and forth. But, so what happens is every time now I upload a video, all of this will automatically be added. Every one of them. Now, you may say, well, what if you didn't always want to promote this video? Then I can change it before I make it public, or I can go back in and change it later. This is a huge time saver, And this is also where you decide how you want your videos to automatically upload. I always recommend upload a video as private. And then schedule it or release it or do a premiere. I haven't messed with premieres, at least when we recorded this I haven't. Now you can list it. I mean, you can have it upload as unlisted. YouTube, though, I mean, until you make it public, that's when it really gets important to YouTube, if you will. That's when comments count and engagement and things like that. But you could upload something and make it unlisted and share it with somebody. But this will save you amount of time. Now, I don't do descriptions because the descriptions I always change based on the video. Why I brought up TubeBuddy, though, and TubeBuddy there's a free version of YouTube, and then I have the Legend account, which is the highest one, which gives me more opportunities to do things. You can add as many different defaults as you want. So, for example, I have one, so when I go live, that's the one that it puts in. And then I have one that's basic, and that's what it puts in. And there's a little bit of difference between this one. If it says YouTube, that's the one from YouTube. So why this is huge is that if you did a live show, you could do a different default upload setting. If you did a basic one, and you can call them whatever you want. And it's just that easy. And you can, again, this is through TubeBuddy, but you can make a new one. You can delete one. This will save you an amazing amount of time.
Hey, do yourself a favor and find out how TubeBuddy can help you save a ton of time with your YouTube channel and grow it too. And check out these other videos to help you get the most out of your YouTube channel, and consider subscribing. I want to be a resource for you to share your gifts and make an impact in the world.